Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your comfy dishwasher not draining. So here's your guide for your clog removal, hose and pump repair. Fix 1. Perform an emergency manual power off. Press the physical power button to turn off the dishwasher's control panel. Unplug the main power cord from the wall electrical socket beneath your kitchen sink. Alternatively, flip the dedicated dishwasher circuit breaker to the off position at your home central fuse panel. Fix 2. Remove all standing water from the tub. Open the dishwasher door fully and pull out the bottom dish rack. Use a small plastic cup or ladle to scoop out any stagnant dirty water pulled at the bottom of the tub. Soak up any remaining liquid around the central sump drain hole using a dry sponge or microfiber towel. Fix 3. Extract and clean the cylindrical filters. Locate the plastic filter assembly unit sitting in the center floor of the washtub basin. Twist the top cylindrical mesh microfilter counterclockwise and lift it straight out. Separate the flat steel coarse filter plate from the assembly base. Carry all pieces to your kitchen sink and scrub them thoroughly under hot running water with a soft bristled brush to dissolve grease and food slime. Step 4. Clear food blockages from the sump basin. Reach your fingers inside the open sump hole beneath where the filters sit. Feel around for hidden foreign debris that often slips past the mesh, such as hard fruit seeds, fish bones, plastic stickers, or shards of broken glass. Carefully extract any debris you find to ensure the entry pathway to the impeller is completely open. Fix 5. Check the internal drain pump impeller. Look deep into the side wall of the cleared sump basin hole to locate the small pump access point. Use a screwdriver to remove the single screw holding down the white plastic pump cover flap if a specific comfy model includes one. Use a pencil or a small plastic tool to gently push the blades of the black pump impeller fan. Verify that the fan rotates smoothly 360 degrees without jamming. If it still freezes, a hard object is wedged deep inside the pump motor casing. Fix 6. Restore power and run a test drain cycle. Plug the dishwasher back into the wall outlet or flip the circuit breaker back to the on position. Close the door, press the power button, select any rapid wash program and hit the start. Press and hold the start or pause button for 3 seconds to cancel the cycle and confirm that all water inside the basin has successfully cleared into your household plumbing. For the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.